North Sentinel Island. What's the secret of the island that no one is allowed to approach? This island is called North Sentinel Island. It's located in the Indian Ocean and is considered one of the most isolated places on Earth. For thousands of years, an isolated tribe has lived on this island, with almost no contact with the outside world. North Sentinel Island is protected because even common illnesses like the flu could be extremely dangerous for the isolated tribe, which has little to no immunity to many modern diseases. For decades, visitors have been strictly prohibited from approaching the island, helping preserve the tribe's isolation and protect their way of life. While the rest of the world changed dramatically over thousands of years, life on North Sentinel Island remained almost completely unchanged. Today, the island is legally protected, and visitors are required to stay a safe distance away to respect the tribe's isolation. Some mysteries are never meant to be solved. And perhaps that's exactly what makes North Sentinel Island so fascinating. For centuries, sailors crossing the Indian Ocean reported a mysterious island. An isolated tribe had lived almost untouched by the outside world. In the late 1960s, researchers began carefully organized contact missions, hoping to learn about the island without disturbing the tribe's way of life. During some expeditions, researchers left gifts like coconuts near the shore, hoping to observe the tribe's reaction without entering their territory. Despite several carefully planned expeditions, lasting contact was never established. Eventually, protecting the tribe's isolation became the highest priority. The island isn't protected because it's dangerous. It's protected because even common diseases could have devastating effects on a community that has lived in isolation for thousands of years. Everything they need comes from the island itself. They fish, collect fresh water, just as their ancestors did for countless generations. We don't know exactly how much they understand about the outside world. They may have seen distant boats or aircraft, but their thoughts and beliefs remain a mystery. They rely on simple handmade tools like bows, arrows, spears, and wooden canoes. They have also been observed reusing metal from objects that washed ashore to make stronger tool tips. Scientists stay away not because they aren't curious, but because protecting the tribe's health, culture, and independence is far more important than satisfying our curiosity. No one knows exactly how many people live on North Sentinel Island. Most estimates suggest the population may be somewhere between 50 and 200, but the true number remains unknown.
Before we continue, if you're enjoying this video, take just 1 second to hit the like button and subscribe to Duck Theory. Create more amazing science, history, and mystery. Now, let's get back to the mystery.
Surviving on North Sentinel Island isn't just about finding food. It requires generations of knowledge about the land, the sea, and the forest, knowledge that outsiders simply don't have. No confirmed case is known of a Sentinelese person permanently leaving the island to join the modern world. Their story has remained closely tied to their home for countless generations. Here's a fascinating question. If the Sentinelese were suddenly brought into the modern world, could they actually adapt to life as we know it? The answer may surprise you. The biggest challenge wouldn't be technology, it would be immunity. Even diseases that seem mild to us become extremely dangerous for a community that has never been exposed to them. So the real goal isn't to bring the Sentinelese into our world, it's to respect their choice to remain isolated and protect both their health and their unique way of life for future generations. But what if someone ignored every warning and tried to secretly land on North Sentinel Island? What would actually happen? The answer is far more complicated than most people think. The first consequence isn't what most people expect. North Sentinel Island is a legally protected area, and entering it without permission is strictly prohibited. The greatest risk isn't conflict, it's disease. Even common illnesses could be devastating for an isolated community. One of the biggest myths is that North Sentinel Island is hidden from satellites or removed from maps. That's simply not true. The island is clearly visible from space. North Sentinel Island isn't just one of the world's greatest mysteries, it's also a reminder that not every mystery, sometimes, the greatest respect wears to live their lives on their own terms. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me. What should we explore next? Leave your idea in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next mystery.